relationship between subject and object. So starting from on, as you know, on is used for showing the situation or someday. For example, he will come on Monday. This is telling that he will come on Monday. Next, my birthday is on next Friday. Again telling about the day. One more example. The glass is on the table. So this way you can learn the use of on. Next is in. In is also used for situation or time or the person. If one is living in any big city, then we are using in. For example, he lives in Kolkata. He lives in Kolkata. The boys are sitting in the room. Sitting in the room. Next is at. At is showing the proximity or sharpness in situation or time. One example is I shall meet you. I shall meet you at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. The guard is standing. The guard is standing at the gate. Here again at is used, showing the proximity at the gate. Next is into. Into is used when if any person or object is coming from one medium to another. Example, the cat jumped into the well. Means from outside it is coming inside the well. So into is used here. Next is from. From is just telling about the starting point of time or situation. Means the show will run from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. This is telling about the range. So from is used. He is coming from Agra. Means he is coming from Agra. Agra is the place from where one is coming. Next is to. To is telling about the destination or the ending of the time range. Examples are just Ram is going to his school. Ram is going to his school. Means a school is one's destination. Means I study from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Here 2 is showing the ending point of the time range. So in this video we have learned few prepositions. I'll be posting more and more videos. Please like, share and subscribe English Solutions channel by SP Singh.